Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm Mark McInerney, President and CEO of Codemark Financial. You know what a billionaire wears to the office?
I just wanna be your superstar, 'cause it's not where you're from.
Alright, I'm not a billionaire. Not yet. So don't come asking me for money. Anyway, speaking of office, we're almost finished here. Where we are finished, though, is in your loan process. So congratulations again. If you go back on all the episodes and you think about what we've gone through, it's been a tremendous journey, right? And thank you for making us a part of it. We have figured out how to get pre-approved. We have gone through the money that you need to put into your real estate transaction. We've gone through the grueling process of the 30-day close and understanding underwriting. And just in our last episode, we were chilling there together at the closing table, because we got that clear to close. Now it's done. So what do? Well, you can sit back and crack a brew and relax, wipe that sweat off your brow and be like, hell yeah, I am a homeowner. That's number one. Number two, and a few other things here to take into consideration, are some things that they call post-closing. So let's go into that very quickly. When your loan closes, shortly thereafter, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, you should expect to get a servicing package that'll probably say that the mortgage company that closed your loan, that lender, has now sold your loan to another bank. Not that big of a deal. This happens all the time. Banks are always selling money to one another. Nothing is going to change in your loan, all right? That's the good news, okay? And none of this is bad news. The next thing that you want to consider, and most importantly, is while you're living in this house, treat this mortgage like you would any other debt. Try to pay it off as quickly as possible. Now, you're not going to do a 30-year loan or 20-year loan or 15-year loan and pay it off in a month or two unless you're balling like that. Then I need to ask if I can borrow money from you. But what you should be doing is making some additional payments to the principal to reduce the debt, and then as well, obviously, to accelerate not having to pay that much interest over the life of the loan. Do those things. Call us up and we'll tell you exactly how to set up those types of practices. Bi-monthly payments, making extra annual payments, those types of things to chip away at becoming wealthier. Speaking of wealth, I got to give a shout out to Holtz Leather. These guys, I was going to get a wallet that said badass mother if you like Pulp Fiction, but I went with something a little more realistic. It says multimillionaire, but I love this thing. And you know what? I'm going to love chilling in your backyard with you with the case of brew, all the steaks, the hot dogs, the hamburgers, all of our kids. I got 3 kids, so I'm coming, right? We're cool? All right, man. Until next time, we're going to be flipping the script, okay? It's not over, even though it's over with this. We've got a whole lot more information to share. I'm Mark McInerney, President and CEO of Codemark Financial. Catch me on Friday, every Friday, Facebook Live, noon, Lunch with Mark. And I'll still be here, guys, on Codemark TV. We'll see ya. Congratulations again.
I just wanna be your superstar, 'cause it's not where you're from, it's where you are. If I could be